Hey there, in this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made a pretty planner charm. And I had everything I needed at home. And it clips right onto one of the rings on the inside. So I began with this chain link here that I got at my local Home Depot in the lighting section. And I have all these pieces here of buttons and broken pieces of jewelry. So here is my double threaded needle with button thread that I'm going to start just attaching to one of the links with a little end off stitch there, and I'm just going to start sewing this button on. And I'm going to go through it only about 2 or 3 times because I am using this button thread, which already is pretty thick and durable. Loving this tutorial? Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Then I trim it, and I like to add a little bit of super glue right on the dot there just to secure that knot. Just in case my charm is, who knows, tagged or something somewhere, these buttons will not fall off. And now I have these little bows that I've already made beforehand, and I'm going to sew them on the same exact way. I'm wrapping the thread around to sort of create like a little shank, just like the button has. And then I'm going to end off right in where I threaded. So I'm doing like an end off stitch there. Again, I trim it, and I'm going to add a drop of glue just to secure it. And I'm going to continue this process, but I'm laying them out just to have an idea of what this charm is going to look like. And I'm going to continue in the same exact way. So I've gone ahead and attached all of the pieces, but I'm going to show you how I added these little pearls here that kind of dangle. I love the look of them. So I brought the thread through the hole of the pearl, and of course you can use any bead you want. And here's how I attach it. Again, I create sort of like a shank of the button, and I keep wrapping that thread through. Then I bring my needle right through that shank there, and I tie it off twice. And that's it, my DIY planner charm is complete. Look at how awesome that looks. Anyway, if you really love tutorials like this, why don't you also check out how I use these same buttons on my flip-flops. They look awesome. And also my other planner videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.